Hey, it's me, Leanne, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. So, recently I've been hearing a lot about inflammation in the body and people dealing with inflammation in the body. So, decided to do a little bit of research to see if I could find out what this was all about. And I found some really interesting things that I thought I would share. So, first off, what is inflammation? So, inflammation is basically our body's process of fighting against infection, injury, and toxins. And when something damages our cells, what ends up happening is your body releases a chemical that triggers a response from your immune system. And chronic inflammation actually happens when this substance that's released into your body lingers. It doesn't really go away, and it kind of keeps your body in a constant state of alert or in a constant state of inflammation. And this could be caused by many things. One of them, of course, is autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis, but there's some other things that we might be doing to ourselves that we could kind of stop to help prevent this. So some of the things that were mentioned were smoking, being overweight, alcohol, and chronic stress. Now, stress I found interesting because inflammation is partially controlled by the hormone cortisol, which is our fight or flight hormone, right? And I'm going to read this because I got this from Science News and I thought it was really interesting. I don't want to mess it up. So it says, chronic stress is associated with the body's losing its ability to regulate inflammation, the inflammatory response. Again, leaving your body in a constant state of being alert or in a constant state of inflammation. So, what can we do about this, right? So the things that are in our control are we could, stop smoking, we could reduce our alcohol intake. Those two things are seen as toxins by our body. Lose some weight and get healthy, that is a stressor to the body. And then again, just chronic stress in general. So what can we do about that? I've done other Wellness Wednesdays on this. You take it down a few notches, step back, smell the roses, slow down in your life, kind of reduce your stress. So another thing I found that was great was maybe we could add these 12 foods into our diet. And these 12 foods are shown to have an effect in reducing inflammation in our body. So I'm going to kind of read through them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the link below so that you can click on it and read the actual details of why these particular things help reduce inflammation in the body. So here we go. First up, get rid of your vegetable oil and replace it with extra virgin olive oil. Eat fish like salmon, fish that has, high in omega-3s. And this other little trick that I just found out from my friend Fran is he actually drinks chia seeds in his water, and chia seeds are extremely high in omega-3, which I had no idea. I don't like fish. I don't like salmon at all. So I've tried to eat it. I don't like it. So I'm sticking with the chia seeds. And basically what you do, so you put them in the water, they expand and they kind of become gel-like. So they you can easily drink them down. You don't even know that you're drinking them. And the other thing that they are a good source of fiber, antioxidants, iron, and calcium. So give that a try. Doesn't taste too bad. I kind of like it actually. Consume nuts like walnuts, almonds, hazelnuts, and sunflower seeds also. Fruits, especially apples, blueberries, cherries, pineapples, raspberries, and strawberries, all yummy things. Garlic is really great for reducing inflammation. Fresh herbs, you could cook with basil, thyme, oregano, or chili powder. Chocolate, who doesn't love chocolate, right? But they're suggesting 70% pure cacao chocolate, which I actually like the dark chocolate better than the milk chocolate. Green tea, beans, onions, high fiber foods like oatmeal, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheats. And 12 on the list is avocados, right? So like I said, I'm gonna attach this and you can read through it's exactly why these things are all good for us to ingest and how they reduce inflammation. And basically, that's all I have for today. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this Wellness Wednesday. And hopefully I'll see you next week. Bye.